Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: purple color, green color, parrot color, orange color, red color, yellow color, brown color, pink color, sky color, green color, black color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. A, capital A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for flag. G for girl. H for horse. I for insect. J for jelly. K for kite. L for leaf. M for man. N for nose. O for oil. P for pin. Q for कायदे आज़म. R for rat. S for sunflower. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for well. X for Xmas tree. Y for jog. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now kids, let's start to repeat our lesson. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Please like and subscribe my channel.